Hello, good day everyone. My name is Antoinette C. Pahanoy of BSEC 3A, and for today's video, I'm going to discuss to you a certain task that was assigned to me by my teacher in ECE 36, and that is about discussing to you the similarities and differences of the Arduino that I bought in a local store here and the Arduino Uno R3 that is made in Italy. First, let me tell you a quick definition about a microcontroller. A microcontroller is a compressed microcomputer manufactured to control the functions of embedded system in office machines, robots, home appliances, motor vehicles, and a number of gadgets. In a nutshell, Arduino itself isn't a microcontroller, but a microcontroller board with its own IDE, or what we call the integrated drive electronics, and which comes with pre-tested software and hardware libraries. While the Arduino microcontroller means it's an open source electronics platform based on easy-to-use hardware and software. Arduino boards are able to read inputs, light in a sensor, a finger on a button, or a message, and that is turned into an output, activating motor, turning on a lead, publishing something online. Right now, I have here an Arduino that I bought in a local store, as what you are seeing here. This is the only one that I have at the moment. And also, seeing on the picture, I have here the Arduino. Looks like this, and the Arduino that is made in Italy. So the original or the genuine Arduino is solded very well, whereas what you can see here, I have a picture since I don't have one at the moment. I have here a photo of an Arduino at the back of it, where you can identify or when you observe that it is solded very well. It is mounted through hole, which means the manufacturer used materials in mounting the design, especially the leads. And also for the specifications, I have it here. Well, I can say that it is almost the same. With regards to the microcontroller chip, 80 mega 328p, and the other one here is 80 mega 328. For the USB controller, which is this one, this is the power cable. Anyway, this is the USB cable. This is the digital pins here. This is the analog pins here. And yeah, that's it about this Arduino, the parts of it. Just one basic. Anyway, moving forward for the operating voltage, and they're just the same for the input voltage and input voltage limit. They are exactly the same. For the number of terminals, also exactly the same, 14 of which provide PWM outputs, the same with the Arduino that I bought here. For the memory size differences, it is 32 kilobytes, of which 0.5 kilobytes used by bootloader for the flash memory, and the 2 kilobytes SRAM for everyone's information. The SRAM is a static random access memory, while the 1 kilobytes EEPROM or EEPROM, which means electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. For these clock speed, they all have almost the same, 16 megahertz. They have exactly the same, And for the other components, I have here the reset switch, USB connector, as what you can observe in this one, the interface chip, crystal oscillator, voltage regulator, power port, digital pins here, the TXRX leads, the microcontrollers, the analog inputs, and the anyway, for the weight, for this one, it weigh 21.2 grams, and for the genuine one, it weigh 25 grams. For the PCB layout, 8 mega 328p in built through hole, as what I've mentioned earlier, because what you can see here for the picture, yeah, It's very soldered very well. And this is the one for what I have here right now. And for the other components, yeah, they are exactly the same. Just that, just the way is the difference about it. The way the PCB layout, surface mounted, lead soldered, and the genuine one is lead free soldered. And that's it about the specifications. So in general, comparing the two Arduinos that I bought here and the one that is made in Italy, they have the same, or they have almost the same specifications and compared to its functions. But if you prefer a best quality Arduino, a genuine Arduino Uno R3 made from Italy is highly recommended. But of course, since currently I am a student, so I cannot able to afford to buy it for now. So I bought this clone one that I have here. Alright, well, I guess that's it for today. And again, thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Goodbye.